Hello. Thanks for choosing ASEA as part of your daily health and wellness regimen. This short video will walk you through the sign-up process to become an ASEA Preferred Customer. Preferred customers can purchase ASEA products at the wholesale price. This is the lowest price available. To qualify for this discount, you agree to have ASEA products automatically shipped to you each month. This auto ship can be changed month to month. It can also be canceled at any time. So let's get started. First, you were probably introduced to ASEA by someone you know who is an ASEA associate. Each associate has a personal business website, and that's where you should go to sign up for the Preferred Customer Program. Click the Buy Here tab at the top of the page. By default, the Preferred Customer button is pre-selected. Click the Submit button. Next, select your country and language. Preferred customers who live outside of the state of Utah in the United States will have orders shipped. However, if you live near ASEA's production facility in Pleasant Grove, Utah, you can select the Will Call option and pick up your order rather than have it shipped. Now go to the blue section to the right of the page and click Enroll next to Preferred Customer. This is where you select the products you want on your first order. You can select any product or combination of products. When you've made your selection, click Next. Now select the product or products you'd like to have automatically shipped each month. This is the monthly auto ship we mentioned earlier. You can edit this order and change it month to month, or keep it the same. It's entirely up to you. Make your selection and add it to the cart. Now, don't be alarmed to see 2 items in your cart. You won't be charged for both orders now. Your auto ship order won't be billed until the following month on your anniversary date. In other words, if you signed up as a preferred customer on the 10th of the month, your auto ship will be billed and shipped on the 10th of the next month, and then each month thereafter. Your auto ship date can also be changed at any time. Click Next. Fill in the required fields here: your name, phone number, email address, and shipping address. You can also opt out or opt in to communications from ASEA or the person who introduced you to ASEA. You'll also create a user profile so you can log in to your preferred customer account in the future to change your auto ship order, the date of your auto ship, or to cancel or suspend your auto ship. Click Next. Step 5 asks for payment information. Check the box if your billing address is the same as your mailing address. Enter your credit card information and check the box to authorize ASEA to charge your card. Click Next. The final page will ask you to review your payment information and then click the final button to process your payment for that initial order. And that's it. You are now an ASEA Preferred Customer. We hope you enjoy our products and have amazing results like the thousands of other ASEA users around the world. If you have any questions, please contact the person who introduced you to ASEA.